Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the series. Creating a website from scratch. As you know, we're currently working on my third book, and we're looking at adaptive design right now. But the book, actually, I haven't uploaded it here yet, so I'll show it on my website for Lazarus IDE. Here is my third book, Master Techniques in HTML5 and Adaptive and Responsive Design. Last time we got to. That is, we continue with adaptive images, and I still have to show you the last method, combining the picture and img tags, by including the attribute srcset, which serves to indicate the address of the different images that we can use. The IDE is this way: you can use, say, 3 images or 2 just for mobile, smaller and with different sizes. If it's 3 images, 1 for mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. The point is not to waste valuable time and traffic loading a large image on mobile devices. And for them, use the same image, or a similar one in a smaller size, and for tablets in a medium size. That is, we need to make, for example, the same image in 3 sizes. This can be done easily with any graphics program. I have prepared 3 images with 3 different sizes. Using the image from the previous example, and 2 more, which are these. So that we can tell when the second and third images are loaded, I've labeled them img2 and img3. Here's the code here, down in the HTML document. It's not that important. Here's the part we are interested in. It's between the picture tags, the opening and closing ones. Here, you see how the different images are displayed. And in the browser, we should see the following. For example, on tablets, the second image. On mobile phones, we'll need to see the smallest image. Here it's the same as with media queries, but actually the image doesn't resize adaptively, that is, it's not flexible. So, let me show you how it looks on my real site. I use this method on my own website as well. Let me open my website, for example. Here, in my site code, I also use the picture tags, and I have 2 images, and for my mobile devices it's a little different. So the first one is logo 1, the second one, logo. And let me show it to you practically, so you can see how it works. Here, for example, when I started to shrink the site and on mobile, do you see how it changes? Actually, instead of the first image of my logo, the second image is displayed. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.